when my middle daughter, who's now a third-year university student on the mainland, was in grade 2. And this little gal was really struggling. We finally received a diagnosis of attention deficit disorder and multiple learning disabilities. I was grateful for the diagnosis because I knew what to do about that, and we had her started on methylphenidate, Ritalin, and in fact she did very well on that, and she was thrilled because she so wanted to succeed at school. The trouble was she had intolerable side effects, and so much so that she could only take a very, very small dose and eventually couldn't take it at all. And that turned out to be a real blessing, certainly for me, and it has changed the course of my journey as a physician. Since that time, my daughter, who we thought at one time would not be able to graduate from high school because of her disabilities, she has not only gone on to graduate from high school, but she is now taking almost a full course load. This is the first time she's taken 4 courses a semester. I still have to help her edit her papers. She has an expressive language disability. But I cannot believe how far she has come, and I have to attribute some of that success to having had her do the training at Valentus. Of course, many years later now, as I became aware of the Brain State Technologies program and what it could do, she has done some training at Valentus, and she just called me last week, actually, absolutely over the moon. The midterm examination, and of course I can't be there to edit her essay she writes on her midterms with her, and she was so worried that she had not done well on that particular midterm, and she said, "Mom, I got 97% on that midterm," and I just was, you can't imagine what that sounds like to my ears. This girl I thought might never graduate high school, and she loves learning and she loves university, and she is really going to be successful, and I really do believe it is in very large part because of the benefits that have been documented for many years in the scientific literature of neurofeedback. So that's my experience as a parent as well as a physician. Thank you.